These incredible 3-ingredient carnivore potato chips are a game changer. But if you're looking for something a little more complex, give my 2.0 version a try. Now, unlike the 3.0 version, the 2.0 version does require egg white powder. Alright, let's dive into this recipe. I'm going to be using an immersion blender that I got for Christmas from my nephew and his wife. Now, just like the 2.0 version, you will need a wide mouth mason jar. This is key. The wide mouth is critical because your immersion blender needs to fit inside snugly. Alright, the first thing we'll need are some egg whites. And for food safety, I like to write the date I open it on the back, because in fine print on the back of it, it tells you only use 7 days after opening. Not to be confused with the date on the front, which is for shelf life. Now add 1/3 cup egg whites to the mason jar. Next, we'll be adding cream cheese, and this is a secret to the umami flavoring you get without seasoning. And we'll be needing 2.5 ounces of cream cheese. Now, to ensure a consistent mixture, it's best to cut the cream cheese into roughly 1 tablespoon blocks. In most of your cottage cheese-based recipes, you'll want to drain out the moisture, but in this recipe, you're going to try to capture about 2 tablespoons of moisture before scooping the actual cottage cheese. Now, this next ingredient, you know on Carnivore, this is optional. You will get flavoring from the cream cheese, so you don't have to have it. Now, just like with my 2.0 Carnivore potato chip, it's critical that everything is well incorporated. You definitely don't want your piping bag to get clogged while piping out your mixture. We're going to be using a large silicone muffin tray, and as you can see here, it fits my microwave just fine. It also rotates without any issues. If yours does have issues, you may have to rotate it every 30 seconds. I like to use my NutriBullet cup to hold my piping bag in place while I fill it. As you can see, it works perfectly and provides great support. Now, let's go ahead and transfer the mixture into the piping bag. Once it's in, twist the top, flip it up, then snip a small hole in the tip. Be careful not to cut it too large, as the mixture is thin. Next, pipe small amounts, about the size of a nickel or a quarter, into the center of each cavity. It is important to fill all the cavities with equal amounts to ensure even cooking. Now let's use that Pyrex glass I couldn't use for my microwavable marshmallows. It will work perfectly to hold my bag upright while I get these ready for the microwave. First, tap the silicone tray down to settle the mixture. Next, you'll need something to spread it out, and I find a fork works perfectly. Drag the fork along the edge of the muffin cavity, evenly dispersing the mixture. Once that's done, place the tray in the microwave and cook it on high for 1 minute. After that, you'll likely need 15 to 30 seconds, depending on your microwave's wattage. Now, these look amazing. Now, don't go nowhere. I'm going to show you a trick to getting these out. But look at this chip, guys. Now, this is important. When taking these out, don't push up on the center. Push up on one of the sides and gently lift it out. These Carnivore keto chips are so delicious. They're a little lighter than my 2.0, but listen. And if you want some real crunch, try my Cheetos. Guys, thanks so much for watching. And as always, I will see you in the next video.